Good day everyone, good day my followers and good day my viewers. So today I'll be taking you maths, and today's topic is probability. So this is a JAMB pass question 2019, question 9. So this is a table that is given there, and it says the table above shows the distribution of marks students in a test. Find the probability of passing the test if the pass mark is 5. It's specified if the pass mark is 5. Okay, so solution. So the first thing you do, you draw out your what? Your table. Marks, number of students. Three, 4, 1, 0, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay, now find the probability of passing the test if the pass mark is 5. If the pass mark is 5. Okay, so the next thing, now we know that probability is always number of required outcome over number of possible outcome. Okay, now what is the possible outcome? Possible outcome is the total number of what? Students. So let's count. Total number of students. Okay, number of students. What we have here is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. So that is our number of possible outcome. Okay, now our number of required outcome, that's what they asked us to find. Now how do we get it? It says if the pass mark is 5, pass mark, so you go and trace the mark. Where's our pass mark? So this is our pass mark. So what do we do there? Pass mark is 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pass mark. So it means that pass mark means what? 5 and above. So what are the numbers that are 5 and above? And the students that are under that 5 and above. So what's the first one? 0. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So the total is what? 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Now go back to the probability now. Probability, pass mark, 5 is equal to, so now number of required outcome, that's what I told you, that which is 12, put your 12 here. Number of possible outcome, which is the total number of what? Students, which is 20. So let me reduce 2 here, 6, 2 here, 10, 2 here, 3, 2 here, 5. So the probability of passing the test if the pass mark is 5 is 3 over 5. So making this to be our final answer. And this is how you solve such type of what? Question involving tabular form. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment. I still remain Teacher Patrick. See you next time again. Bye bye.